keeping your sheep under shade doesn't have to be expensive, nor does it have to be fancy. Today, I'm going to show you how I put together a very cheap but well built, I like to think, even though I'm not a builder, sheep shade, right? And it's real simple. The sheep don't need it right now. They're in the paddocks next to the house. In fact, they won't need it for the next month. Every single paddock they're gonna go under has trees. So now I have this sheep shade in the paddock where they're going to be a month from now, and there is no shade. So let me show you. It's basically a 10 by 12 tarp that you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. These are 2 hog panels, right? You put them together, you clamp them with 12-foot long 2x4s, and then 10-foot long 2x4s. You want to put these braces there because you're gonna drill a hole here, attach a chain, excuse me, where you're going to pull it with either your lawnmower or your tractor, whatever. To make it even stronger, I added this corner brackets right there, and I added those on top. And then obviously I added this 2x4s there as brace, and I only added those where the pulling chain is connected. I also have this in the middle just to prevent it from expanding or something like that, but it's nothing super fancy. As you can see, I also added the brackets in this end. As you can see, it's nothing super fancy, but it's not raggedy either. And it's super comfortable for, let's see, 23 sheep. 23 sheep can come in here. That's no problem. And now let me show you how we hook to this thing. And without wheels, because there is no wheels, we just pull it with our 0 turn, and the structure can handle it. And this is how we're gonna use it. I mean, we're just gonna move on up all the way to that tree at the back of the property, down to that other tree, then down. It's gonna have a rotation of 49 days inside this fenced in area. But yeah, as you can see, no problem, right? 10 by 12. And now let me show you how we pull it with a 0 turn. As you can see, we've got this chain attached to the wood. Now we push it really slow, because this thing is... And the phone overheated because of how hot it is around here. But I'm gonna close this video and just leave you guys with a little shot of the girls on my other paddock that's next to, between our house and the neighbor's house, full of trees. This paddock is about 15,000 square feet. They're gonna be here 4 days, and they came from that paddock. Yep, phone overheated again. We're gonna leave it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.